Looking for a new meta to break the enemy, I brought 3 new weapons that you are going to shoot with. Don't forget to like. First, let's go see a little gameplay with these weapons. A big YouTuber, I killed it for you too. And then let's go to Loadouts. Volker 556 is very buffed, and on my opinion it is the best long range weapon. When you hit a few enemies you will realize how strong it is. You can choose whichever is easier for you in the optics section. Ribbon line is a weapon that only professionals use, and it has recently become very handy, and you can use my attachments and enjoy. MTZ556 has also become stronger and the speed of its bullets has increased, but is not so meta in the mobile version. But expect for these 3 new metas. Let's check the others. The snipers have been nerfed a lot, and it is not easy to one shot like before, and it takes 3 shots to shot the chest, especially MCPR. HRM9 is still in close range number 1, and after that 2 guns WSP9 and Rival 9. With the arrival of Volker 556, I think the MK9 gun will go to the number 2 at long range.
Enemy dropping into the AO. Enemy precision airstrike.
Ja, zonder toch!
Oh, no, it's done. Exfil is returning to
كلام
base.
ويخطط طلعت السنايبر ايه.
Recon intel secure. Be advised, your teammate has been marked as a high-value target. Keep them secure. Right here. Enemy UAV active. Copy. Helo is inbound for deposit. Secure all cash and mine.
Enemy UAV active.
Supply choppers inbound. Rare cargo is on board.
Enemy UAV active.
Cargo secure. Bird is exiting the area. Cargo is safe. Export is turning base.
Enemy UAV active. Enemy UAV active. Enemy UAV active. Enemy UAV active.